Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and Bluetooth is on. This allows the device to immediately detect peripherals. Keep your AirPods charged and within a few feet because proximity speeds discovery. Once the case lid opens, the iPhone searches for the accessory. That search is how pairing is initiated, so don't move them away. If you see a prompt within seconds, you're ready to proceed. Tap the screen when instructed to continue to the next setup steps. When the pairing card appears, tap Connect and follow prompts. This exchange assigns the AirPods to your Apple ID so they work across devices. You might be asked to configure left/right orientation and automatic ear detection. Choose what matches your usage because it affects pausing and call behavior. Make sure to enable desired noise control or transparency settings. These change how much ambient sound passes through. Once configured, the system may check for finish by testing playback and voice commands so you confirm both audio and microphone functions. You want to check calls and Siri responsiveness. Once done, practice switching audio outputs in Control Center to see how they move between devices because iCloud pairing handles that handoff automatically. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button until the LED flashes amber then white. Then bring them close and repeat the pairing steps. That usually clears pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.